Shout out to Shannon Tibbetts, a great teacher who passed away last week. Shout out to Catholic Mass funerals, where half the people in the room look like they've walked into an exam they forgot to study for. I've seen less awkward and uncertain kneeling at a beginner's prostitution class. Shout out to brands interacting on Twitter, the most whimsically Orwellian act currently conceivable. Shout out to your phone's autocorrect revealing deep dark secrets about you. Mine corrected Vicodin to VidCon the other day, and I had to seriously reconsider my life and my choices. Shout out to Rob Brown, that joke's dedicated to him. Shout out to autocorrect for real though. For a couple glorious weeks, my phone corrected abortion to Abortion Palooza in all caps. Shout out to gas stations who put regular unleaded on the very far right at the pump, as if that is an accepted convention anywhere in the Western Hemisphere. I'm not falling for your trickery, gas stations, but I respect it. Shout out to warm, early summer days, like the kind of summer days where kids everywhere are playing table tennis in cold basements and then finding their friend's dad's porn collection. Shout out to all the kids who just graduated from high school. Shout out to the valedictorians who made speeches, but really shout out to the salutatorians whose schools were crazy enough to let them make speeches too. Nobody's got nothing to lose like a salutatorian, so they can really fuck shit up. Shout out to iced lattes. No particular reason, I've just really been feeling iced lattes recently.